Okay, guys, this is exam 3, question number 1. Compute the summation by hand. The summation from k equals 1 to 5 of negative 1 to the k times the quantity k squared plus 1. So what I'm going to do is, I know that there are 5 iterations of k. It starts at 1. Right? And I'm just going to put little notes to myself here. Okay, k equals 4, k equals 5. And I'm not going to sum them immediately. I just want to find every step, and then I will sum them up at the end. Okay, so when k is equal to 1, I'll just put 1 into k at every point here, so that's negative 1 to the 1 times 1 squared plus 1. Negative 1 to the 1 is equal to negative 1 times 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is equal to negative 2. Okay. Next up is negative 1 to the 2 times 2 squared plus 1. And that is equal to negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is equal to 5. And then so negative 1 to the 3 times 3 squared plus 1 is equal to negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Notice how they're alternating. That'll be true throughout this whole problem. Times 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Negative 1 times 10 is equal to negative 10. Negative 1 to the 4th times 4 squared plus 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. 4 squared is 16 plus 1 is 17. So this is equal to 17. And finally, negative 1 to the 5. 5 squared plus 1 is equal to negative 1 times 25 squared, or I'm sorry, 5 squared is 25 plus 1 is 26. This is equal to negative 26. And only now will I sum everything up. This is negative 2, right? So I'm summing up this, 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 and this. So negative 2 plus 5 minus 10 plus 17 minus 26. So that's, I'll just do it in my head here. That's 3 plus 7 minus 26. 10 minus 26 is negative 16. Oops. And that's it. That's our answer.